So we're installing the rear packout plate on a 4-seater. You'll get 4 of these. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to undo them. I like to put the washer on the top. You're going to set them up like that. Just kind of snug them down. You do all 4 corners. Alright, so we got all 4 in. You just leave them kind of loose. Come over to the buggy. Let's take that out. Put that down. Goes in one particular way because that's the way it sits. Like I said, you leave them loose, make sure they all hit the holes. There it is. Now you can tighten all 4 of them up good and tight, snug it. You're ready to go.